Hello everyone guys, today we will dive into the exciting world of binary options and I will show you that technical analysis is universal. Have you ever thought, does technical analysis really work on all of the currency pairs, including cryptocurrency? Well, in this video, I will share with you compelling examples and analysis that will prove that the right approach can lead to success on any market. Are you ready? Then let's get started. And you can find even more interesting strategies and signals in my Telegram channel via the link in the description. Join right now if you really want to get your profit today already. And we're getting started. Okay, let's switch to the classic currency pairs, from classic currency pairs to cryptocurrency. So now let's figure the strategy out. To trade, I will use classic technical analysis, which means trading from level to level. So, for example, let's look at this iteration. We can see that there was a level formed at this moment. It is formed in the exact moment when the price begins to reverse. And as soon as the price approaches this level, we see a rollback movement. And it is precisely on these rollback movements that we will make money on. And at the top we have a resistance level from which we will trade downwards, and below there is a support level from which we will trade upwards or bet buy. Of course, using candlestick analysis. And to determine as accurately as possible whether there will be a rollback or breakthrough. In this video, I will work on both of these cases. So now let's move to trade. Well, I have found a good situation to enter a trade. In this situation, I will open it to buy. Okay, great, my deal is up. Okay. First of all, I can know that we have a certain support level formed here, which was formed at this moment. And we've already got certain reactions from this level, but during the last approach of the price to this level, there was a dodge candle formed. This is a candle with a long shadow at the bottom and small body at the top. It indicates buyer's dominance at this second. But that's not all, guys. I'm switching to 5-minute time frame, and on 5-minute time frame, I can see this large and strong support level here. And that's because we had a huge number of rollbacks from this level. And just look at this perfect upward movement we've got here, guys. Oh my god, I believe that this case has been worked out perfectly. Let's move on. So I opened a 1-minute buy trade. In this iteration, I saw the formation of this resistance level, but there was no rollback from this level. Okay, we've got a breakthrough of this level, and while that, the buyer was producing good and impulsive candles at their favor. This indicates a continuation of the upward movement. Breakthroughs are also a very common thing for trading and for technical analysis, and you need to consider them. Okay, now we switch to 5-minute time frame, and on 5-minute time frame, the only thing I can note is that we have a large number of specific resistance levels at the top, which the price will most likely strive for. So we had an upward movement, although it was not very impulsive, but nevertheless I took my profit. Let's move on. So I see that the price has returned to one of the strong support levels. Let's see what we can notice in this iteration. A certain support level has been formed at this moment, and at this point we already had a large number of rollback movements. And these rollback movements indicate the strength of this level. The price has returned back to this level again, and while that, large shadows instantly appeared in the candles that indicate there is a buyer in some kind of area, and most likely we will get a rollback from the level. And that's not all. I open a 5-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame we can see that we have some certain old support level here, from which there were a huge number of rollback movements. And accordingly, in this situation, I will open a buy trade as well. So my trade is opened. We're waiting for the result, and while this trade is in progress, let's go over the steps for entering a trade once again. Firstly, you need to see that the price is close to support or resistance level. Secondly, using candlestick analysis, you need to determine whether there will be a breakthrough or rollback. And as soon as you found all the confirming factors, you can safely open a trade file. And just look at the good movement I managed to catch here. Oh my god, an excellent result, and my trade closes in a profit. As you can see, thanks to this classical technical analysis, I was able to increase my balance more than threefold, considering that I only traded on cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, this is proving that my technical analysis really works regardless of which market you trade in. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel via the link in the description, and bye bye.